This is the installation video for the Weapon X Motorsports carbon rocker vent for the C7 ZR1, Z06, and Grand Sport. Installation can be done in a home garage in less than an hour using common tools. First off, you'll need to raise the rear of the vehicle and remove the rear wheels. Remove the wheel liners or pull them back to gain access to the inside of the rocker panel. Once the wheel liner is out of the way, you'll need to remove the lower plastic brake ducts. Unclip the small canister from the evap assembly and push to the side. This is on the passenger side only. Remove the upper plastic brake duct to gain access to the back side of the OEM rocker vent. Locate the 3 aluminum rivets that secure the OEM rocker vent to the rocker panel. As an added precaution, tape off any of the surrounding areas of the body or brake calipers to protect the paint from any accidental contact with tools or parts during the install process. Using a Dremel or die grinder with an aluminum grinding bit, carefully grind off the heads of the rivets. Pop the remaining studs out of the holes. Pop the front lower pin of the OEM rocker vent out using a plastic panel removal tool. Remove the metal retainer clip from the front pin and set aside for later installation. Remove the OEM rocker vent and replace with the Weapon X Motorsports carbon fiber rocker vent. Insert the supplied push pin retainers through the 3 mounting holes in the rocker vent. With the rocker vent already in place, take the metal retainer clip and push it onto the front pin from the bottom inside the rocker panel. Reinstall the plastic brake ducts, small evap canister on the passenger side, the rear wheel liners, and the rear wheels. Lower the car, torque the wheels, and enjoy your new carbon fiber rocker vent from Weapon X Motorsports.